y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another install. This wig I was sent from Yolissa hair, and they sent me out there. It's a 370 frontal. I'm gonna explain that in a second, but it's a 370 frontal. It's 24 inches. I got a 180% density, and I believe this is their Brazilian straight texture. I did get a medium size cap. I'm a 22-inch circumference, and the lace I have is a medium brown. But yeah, for those who don't know what a 370 frontal is, I didn't know what it was either until I got the wig. But this is a pretty much a 13 by 6 360. They call it a 370 because you get more parting space, and it goes back 6 inches instead of 4, so you get a lot more parting space. You get a lot of parting space on the sides as well as the middle. So this wig is dope. Okay, the wig came pre-plucked, and the density in the frontal area is bomb. Like it's so nice. It's not too thick, as you can see. Like, it gives you the ability to have that SCALPIANA effect. Okay, y'all see how my hair was looking real scalpy-ish in the beginning. Okay, baby, this wig is love. Yolissa hair, y'all did that. I really like this wig. It's clutch. I love it. I did do one layer of ghost bond glue for my install. Yeah, I didn't want to do more than one. The lace was really nice and thin. Okay, do y'all see that? Like, I honestly could have wore this without baby hairs. This was giving scalp realness. Oh my gosh, like, I love this install, y'all. This install was you can tell me nothing with this install. I did tie down my hairline for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let the glue dry a little bit more before I went in to do my baby hairs. Y'all watch how popping this part is without me putting any powder in it. Just watch. Look at it. Man. That. Ooh. Okay. The knots on this wig, y'all, bleached so good. It took to the bleach so well. But yeah, my final thoughts, y'all. I really, like I said at the beginning, I really like and love this wig. I love how far back I was able to part my part. Look how deep my part is. You definitely get plenty of parting space with this 370 wig. So Yolissa here, thank you so much for allowing me to try out this wig. I really did enjoy it. If you guys are interested in this wig, I'm going to link of course the specs and the details in the description box, so you can check out this wig for yourself. But I do hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, share this video if you care. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell to stay updated on when I upload. But I love y'all so much. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day or night whenever you all are watching this. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.